In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Streak CRM from Gmail. If you've been seeing Streak's pipelines, boxes, or extra buttons inside Gmail and you want a clean, standard inbox again, removing the browser extension is the key. Streak runs entirely in your browser, so taking it out there immediately removes it from Gmail's interface. This won't delete any of your emails or change your Gmail account. It simply removes the Streak layer that sits on top of your inbox. First, open your browser's extensions page. In Google Chrome, the quickest way is to click the address bar and type Chrome extensions, then press Enter. You can also get there through the menu by selecting Extensions, then Manage Extensions. If you're using Microsoft Edge, Extensions works the same way. In Firefox, you'll find it under Add-ons and Themes. The idea is the same across browsers. You're heading to the place that lists everything your browser has installed. Once you're on the Extensions page, look through the list for Streak. It should be clearly labeled, often with an icon that matches the Streak brand. If there's a search box on the page, type Streak to find it faster. If you use multiple browser profiles, make sure you're in the profile that you use for Gmail, because extensions are installed per profile. When you've located Streak, click Remove. Your browser will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the removal. If you see a toggle to disable, remember that disable only turns it off temporarily. Remove is the permanent option that fully uninstalls the extension. Don't worry. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall it later from the extension store. Removing it doesn't affect your emails, contacts, or Google account. It only removes the extra Streak features from your browser. After you've removed Streak, switch back to your Gmail tab and refresh the page. You can click the Refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. When Gmail reloads, the Streak buttons and panels should be gone, and you'll see the standard Gmail layout again. If you're still seeing Streak elements, double-check that the extension is fully removed and that you're in the right browser profile. Also, if you use Gmail in more than one browser, you'll need to remove the extension in each one where you use Gmail. That's it. You've successfully removed Streak CRM from Gmail by uninstalling the browser extension and refreshing your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner Gmail experience.